Hey cuties, this is Heena from HeenaAgrima, and today I will take you around my natural dyeing workshop at my studio in Jaipur. Scouring is the cleaning of the fabric, and for all the details I'm going to link my scouring blog in the description box below. There are two types of mordants that you can work with, metals and plants, but for this particular process we're working only with metal mordants, which will help us make the colors light and wash fast. So we're working with cellulosic and protein materials, and we're using aluminium potassium sulfate and aluminium acetate for the recipes. Now let's get on to the process of decoction, that is the extracting of the color from the plants. There are three types of plant forms: fresh, dry, extracts. Extracts don't really need decoction as they are the purest form of plant dyes. Rest all materials are first soaked and then are boiled. Some materials like madder are temperature sensitive, so they are only kept on limited heat as their main color component can get burned, and some plants like indigo requires vat making. Indigo vat making is a separate process altogether, and we shall talk about this in depth in one of my next videos. Dyeing the fabric is one of the most rewarding parts of natural dyeing. Now we transfer our mordanted fabrics to our extracted dye baths. It is important to soak our bundles in water first and then dip them in dyes to ensure an even absorption of color, and also to avoid spotting and patches on the fabrics and yarn. Further, we modify and overdye our already naturally dyed swatches to shift our colors with the help of iron and indigo. Iron makes the color duller and darker, helping us to expand our shade range, and indigo, when it's overdyed on fabrics with yellow, gives us green. On pink, it gives us purple, which helps us make more colors. So fabrics are kept in the dye bath for at least 45 minutes. After that, we start pulling them out. We do not wash the fabrics immediately. First we let them cool down and straighten them properly, and sometimes if the time allows us, then we also let them air dry before they go for a final wash. Finally, we've come to wash care, which is probably the most time taking of them all. We use pH neutral soaps to wash our naturally dyed fabrics, and if some fabrics were modified and overdyed with iron and indigo, we make sure that we pH neutralize them before washing. Main aspect of this process is to ensure that the fabric is washed till all the color stops bleeding. Personally, for me, wash care is the most beautiful part of the process because I know now these colors are here to stay. We've added some extra footage in this process, so please enjoy because I feel this is the most aesthetic part of the process. Last but not the least, we iron and document all of that we have done in the past 2 days. This process is lengthy but ensures that your learning remains at one place, and also we have all the recipes for the colors that we made during the workshop. And that is a wrap. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post on every Monday. Till then, lots and lots of flowers. HeenaAgrima.